Hello, my name is Abdul Momin, and I am a registered dietitian, nutritionist, and a public health professional. I'm here today with a new topic, and as you might have um, seen that a few media reports and news channels are quite frequently using the terms of endemic, epidemic, outbreak, and pandemic. So I thought that it is necessary that all of us should know the difference in between these terms, not necessarily as health professionals or health care providers, but even as common persons. We should know what does each of these terms mean. So first of all, let's talk about endemic. When we use the term endemic, it means that a disease is habitually present in a given geographical area. So say for example, if we talk about dengue, we know that here in Pakistan, specifically in the region of central Punjab, dengue is prevalent in every year. So we can simply say that dengue is endemic to central Punjab in Pakistan. Now when we use the term epidemic, it means that the number of cases has gone up compared to what we were expecting. So the presence of disease in excess of normal expectancy, that is known as an epidemic. So say for example, again taking the example of dengue, let's say in the last year we were expecting 1000 cases of dengue, but eventually we ended up having 5000 cases of dengue. So we can say that in the last year dengue was an epidemic to central Punjab in Pakistan. And now the third term is outbreak. So the term outbreak means that the disease has moved to a new population. So what that means is that the disease is not restricted now, and in fact an area which was not previously exposed to that particular disease is now also exposed to that particular disease. So say for example, we can say that last year in Islamabad, dengue was an outbreak. Since before last year, Islamabad never experienced dengue, but in the last year 2019 there were quite a few cases of dengue in Islamabad. So we can say that in the last year dengue was an outbreak in Islamabad. Finally, let's talk about the term pandemic. A pandemic is actually a worldwide or global epidemic. So say for example, whenever a disease moves or starts moving to multiple geographical locations. So the most common example of pandemic these days is obviously, as you know, coronavirus, which has moved to approximately 190 plus countries. So this is the example of pandemic. In the history we have witnessed quite a few pandemics such as Ebola, bird flu, Congo. So these are all examples of pandemic. So I do hope that I was able to clarify the differences in between these terms. Do subscribe my channel for more informative content, and if you have not pressed the bell icon, please do hit the bell icon, like my video, let me know through your comments if you are liking the content or not, and most importantly, do not forget to share the video with the maximum people so that others can benefit as well. Until next time, it's bye bye from my side.